So today we're going to show you how we can change any image once you bring it right on your phone into Custom Studio. I'm going to browse an image. Let's say I wanted to change a class ring. I could pull it up from my gallery. I've saved one of the class ring images up here from my downloads. I'm going to upload that image right up here. It will come up in the box. And now I can start changing this image very easily once it is part of Custom Studio. So how we do that is very simple. We have metal fillers available. We can select the size, which is going to be a straight line, as you see. And I have these metal fillers right up here, which is what I'm going to select on this particular one. Go back up here and go ahead and adjust this out. So I will go ahead and make this longer and go ahead and make this thinner. And I will position it to the way I want to. Let's push it up here. That needs to be a little bit smaller. So we'll move it a little bit inside. And we'll make it a little bit smaller from here. There we go. Push it up here. And that should be one place right up there. So that we can make it a little bit smaller in here if you want to. There we go. And we'll do the same thing for the other side. Just go in here, click a metal filler, and there it plops the metal filler up. Let's go ahead and stretch it out. Go ahead and reduce the size of it, turn it over and make it smaller, and move it over onto this side and push it out that way. There we go. It's good. I can make this a little bit longer if I need to by stretching it out just slightly. Right. And now if I wanted to add names onto it for my school, I would just add text on it. I would type the text onto it, make it caps lock. Text. The text pops up here. You can rotate it, make it a little bit smaller, and bring it in to this. Now keep in mind I'm working on my cell phone here, so I'm working in a small area, but look how clear it's and easy it is still to do that. Let's say it's a class of 2019. So I will go ahead and add 2019. I can same thing, bring it up here, make it a little bit smaller, rotate it to where it needs to be, bring it up here and put it in the middle. There we go. Maybe straighten it out just a little bit more. And there we go. And I can position it, move it a little bit larger to where I need to be. And check that out. Right now, if I save this image, or if you wanted to change the stone, I can add the stone back in again here and change the shape of the stone. So I'll do a brown stone to give it a nice color. Go back here, add a stone, and bring that stone in. Reduce it down a little bit smaller. Push it up here into the spot up here. Rotate it correctly, make it a little bit larger, rotate it correctly, and position it just perfectly. There we go. I just changed that whole ring right up there, and I can make various changes as I keep doing that. I can save this image. Once I save this image, it will say image saved successfully. And once that image is saved successfully, still working on saving that image. There we go. We got the sign that says image saved successfully, and that image will pull up right up here under our gallery. So as you see, that image will start pulling down up here in just a few minutes. But there we go. It's coming up, as you can see on that image, right? And once that image is showing up, we can actually go into the gallery up here and view that image. We also have the ability to compare those images in before and after. So if I went in here before and after, you can see how the changes came across. This is what we started off, original design, and this is what we changed it to your design. Thank you for watching this video. It is so easy to use Custom Studio. It is amazing how this app will change custom design abilities. Thank you once again for watching Custom Studio.